Assalamu alaikum. I am Samira Laki from Life Preparatory School. Today I am going to take elementary science class. Dear students, today we will discuss about chapter 9. The name of the chapter is Technology in Our Life. This is the first part. It includes reading and understanding. In the second part, we will discuss about some important questions regarding this chapter. So everyone, let's start. We will start with some basic points. First one, technology. Technology is something which makes our life easier. Example, pen, light, fan, etc. Next, scientific knowledge. It is used to invent these technologies. That means with the help of scientific knowledge, technology is invented. Number 3, science. Science is the knowledge or study about the natural world, or that means natural world study is related to science. Then technology. Technology is the application of science to solve the problems of our life. That means technology helps to solve the problem of our life and makes our life easier. Now I'm going to next topic. And the next topic is scientific method. When scientists investigate and answer questions about the world around us, they follow the scientific method. It includes 6 steps. So we will discuss step by step. First step is observation. That means when in the first step, scientists notice the things or the phenomena. In the second step, the name of the second step is question. Make a question regarding observation. That means scientists will make a question regarding the noticed things or the phenomena. Step 3, hypothesis. Now guess the answer of the question. In the step of hypothesis, scientific guess the answer of the question which he got in the step 2. Now number 4 step, experiment. Justify the answer is true or not. Collect data and do practical experiment. That means in this step, scientists will do a practical experiments and justify the answer either it is true or not. Step 5 name is conclusion. Analyze the collected data and find the result. Think the result is relevant to the hypothesis or not. That means in this step, he will make a conclusion either is the result related to hypothesis or not. Number 5, sharing. Then report the results and share it to others. Now go to the next topic. I will discuss first the differences between science and technology and then relationship between them. First thing is differences, science and technology. For making the differences, I just make 3 points here. First thing, science and then technology. Knowledge or study about the natural world is called science, where practical application of science to solve problems is called technology. Number 2, science describes the natural phenomena, where technology improves the quality of life with the help of the study of science. If we take an example in point 3, that is steam power. Steam power is the result of scientific study, and steam engine is the term related to technology which uses the steam power for different purposes. Now relationship between them, science and technology. If you look back and make a thought about this, you will find a close relationship between them. Without science, technology is nothing, and without technology, science is nothing. That means science is the study and technology is the application of it. So we get knowledge from science and technology make it happen. And again I got the got the same example here, steam power and steam engine. That means steam power is the study of science, and steam engine is the application of the steam power. Now, the topic is technology in agriculture. There is three types of technology used in agricultural field: mechanical technology, chemical technology, and biotechnology. Mechanical technology related to the equipment makes the agricultural field much more easier, like shovel, plow, tractor, irrigation pump, etc. Chemical technology related to fertilizers and pesticides. And then biotechnology makes new product for human welfare. Nowadays, biotechnology contribute a great for producing more food of the growing population. Number 4, negative effects of technology. First one, environmental pollution, and mostly soil and water pollution is the impact of it. And when more and more fertilizer and pesticide used in agricultural field, it creates soil pollution. At the same time, when it washed by rainwater and getting mixed up with ponds and river water, it makes water pollution. And weapons, bombs, tanks, or guns are the creation of technology, and this is not good for human welfare. Number 3, other impacts. That means hurdles in regular sports, physical exercise,